Opinion Civ 5 Tier List. Civilization 5 is a strategy game that lets you lead one of 43 different civilizations to victory. Each civilization has its own unique abilities, units, buildings, and leaders that can influence your gameplay and strategy. However, not all civilizations are equally powerful or suited for different victory conditions. Therefore, some players have created tier lists to rank the civilizations based on their overall performance, strengths, and weaknesses. There are many different ways to create a tier list, and different players may have different opinions and preferences. However, one possible tier list based on the web search results is S tier. These are the best civilizations in the game, with strong and versatile abilities, units, and buildings that can give them an edge in any situation. They are Poland, Egypt, Huns, England, Korea, Persia, Babylon, Arabia, Inca, China, Austria, Celts, Siam, Zulu, and Maya. A tier. These are the great civilizations in the game, with good and balanced abilities, units, and buildings that can help them achieve different victory conditions. They are Songhai, Greece, America, Russia, Ethiopia, Spain, Shoshone, Aztec, Mongolia, and Germany. B tier. These are the average civilizations in the game, with decent and situational abilities, units, and buildings that can work well in some scenarios, but may struggle in others. They are Morocco, India, Byzantium, Denmark, Sweden, Ottomans, Rome, Japan, and France. C tier. These are the weak civilizations in the game, with poor and limited abilities, units, and buildings that can hinder their progress and make them vulnerable to other civilizations. They are Indonesia, Brazil, Portugal, Netherlands, Assyria, Polynesia, Carthage, and Venice. D tier. These are the worst civilizations in the game, with useless and detrimental abilities, units, and buildings that can make them lose the game easily. They are Iroquois. Of course, this tier list is not definitive or absolute, and you may find different results or opinions on other websites or sources. You can also try out different civilizations and see for yourself how they perform and suit your playstyle.